Have you ever wondered how the new world look like with human and agent interaction? Well, Project Mariner is one place to look into these ideas. And Project Mariner will help you to uncover the future world with human and agent interaction. Project Mariner is a Google Labs experimental prototype that use to understand how the human and agent interaction works, starting with browsers. That means at the moment, Project Mariner focusing on browser interaction, but in the future, it is going to come a lot more applications. In fact, they also have a demo into Google Inbox. I will show you that. The Project Mariner 2. It an AI agent that use natural language. That means the human understandable language we can communicate to these AI agents and that do all the time consuming tasks a human do like research, looking for information into different areas, then plan what to do if we have this information, what we can do with this information, and do some data entry operations, and finally do some actions. Right now it's in the browsers or some specific applications, but it can run on virtual machines. Each of these keyword like time-consuming tasks, research, planning, data entry, and virtual machines. It's a million worth words. That means in the future, an agent running in a virtual machines is able to do 100% job in a fraction of seconds and minutes. Under the hood, how Project Mariner works is a three-step approach. The first step is observe. That means what information is coming to this model. The model is a multi-modal encoder. That means it can understand the text, code, image, videos, forms, many things in the browser. But it can also understand not even from the browser, but also the desktop apps like Gmail, Outlook app, or mobile apps. It can understand any type of format of data which coming to it. It could be a voice, it could be a text, code, images. The first step is observing, collecting all the information. Then it will also understand what is the instruction given to this particular agent. Then the second step comes, that is planning. With the observed data, with the collected data and the instruction, then it will reason and think, then it will plan what step the agent has to do in order to achieve the instruction or a specific goal. That the step, the plans means. The agent will also show you a detailed steps, what it reasoning process and why it is doing such steps. We will see this in the demo shortly. And the third step is based on the observation or collected data. And the second step of planning, it will do some actions. But a human can anytime interrupt this action, or we can also include a human in the loop in the action hierarchy. That means certain action we can always execute with an approval from a human, and also the agent will display the reasoning and steps when it is doing an action. In order to try lively the Project Mariner, you need to have a Google AI Ultra subscription. And Google AI Ultra subscription will cost you $249.99 per month or $250 in a simple terms. And the Project Marin is coming to Gemini API. That means the developers, the AI enthusiasts, the agent builders can use Project Mariner capability when they're using the Gemini API keys. Don't have an Ultra subscription? Don't worry. I also don't have. For the time being, we can adjust with the demos that Google Labs is offering, and it is quite enough to understand the capabilities of Project Mariner. Later, once they launch this into a large public, or most probably they will also offer this a free tier, we can try it out hands-on versions. Okay, so let's go through these demos. We are going to see two demos from this available set of demos. One is the personal use case, which is finding the personalized jobs. The second one is a ordering system from a web shopping site. Okay, I'm going to take first the business use case, ordering missing ingredients, and I'm going to play this button. And I'm going to open this recipe document. As you can see in the recipe document, some of the ingredients is missing, so that is unchecked, but other ingredients are there. And this agent will go into a shopping site called Instacart and it will order all the missing ingredients and it will add into the shopping cart. Okay, so it will automatically go to the website. It will select the missing ingredients by looking into the Word document, and then it will add into the shopping cart. Now the user can decide whether to buy it or not. Our second demo is on a personal use case, finding the personalized job. I'm clicking on that demo. You can see on the right side how the thinking and planning process will work. Clicking on the play button, and there is a resume available for the person. So the agent will read this from the Google Drive, and it will go through these documents and it will find what are the user's skills and the previous experience and education. Based on that, it will go into a site called Climate Base. That's a recruitment site, and it will list all the jobs, and from the listing it will match the skill set is given in the Word document. All the thinking and reasoning and planning process is, we can see on the right hand side how this agent thinking and planning is working. And finally it will choose the job which is suitable for this particular user by going into the each job of the Climate Base. Okay, once the agent finished the process, the task is completed, and we can see the outcome here. Like, it selected 3 jobs based on the criteria we given, based on the skill set. Software engineer full stack position in Spark AI company, software engineer SDN networking at Microsoft company, and software engineer machine learning platform at Rizome company. But have you ever wondered how this Project Mariner works under the hood? How this particular the selection of the document and reading the document and going to the website and clicking on those shopping items and finally putting this into the shopping cart works in the background? Well, I have created a video on Seed VL 1.5 versions from the ByteDance company. Check out that video. That will give a clear idea and instructions how this Project Mariner type of software is working using the multi-model generative AI systems. And if you want to know the future of AI, where it is going, how it is going to impact in your human life, and if you do also want to build such systems, remember to subscribe and like this video.